What would happen to your family if your job disappeared tomorrow? That was me. Hey there, my name is Gretchen from Seattle, Washington, but originally from Pagadian City, Philippines. So hello sa tanang mga Bisaya diha. For 22 years, I work in a healthcare as medical claims processor. I work long hours, weekends, overtime, sometimes 10 to 16 hours a day. Like many hardworking parents, I believe that if I just work harder, everything would eventually get better. But despite all the hard work, it felt like I was stuck in the same cycle. Work, pay bills, repeat. Then came the layoffs. After 22 years in the same industry, I realized something that changed my life. Relying on one paycheck is one of the biggest risks we can take. I knew I needed another options. 3 years ago, I made one brave decision. May nakita akong isang ad sa newsfeed ko. Isang online business na kalat na sa social media. Just like what you're watching right now. Isang Pilipina from Texas, I really resonated with her story. Working multiple jobs, no time for her family. But after doing this for 2 years, nabago ang buhay niya. So I connected with her. I started learning how to build an online business from home. Not because I wanted to get rich overnight, but because I wanted more freedom, more security, and more time with my family. Today, my life looks very different. I work from home, I wake up without an alarm, I work on my own schedule, I can travel and still earn. I have more quality time with my family, earning 45 figures a month, and the best of all, I don't spend my days chasing people. People come to me out to because of the system and skills I've learned. If you're hardworking healthcare workers, professional, parent, or a single mom who's tired of trading all your time for money, if you're looking for a plan B that could become your plan A, and you're willing to learn something new, then this might be worth looking at. No experience needed, no inventory, no cold calling, no budding friends and family. Step-by-step training, mentorship, and support provided. If you like to learn more, what's my free information video, send me a message or comment info, and I'll point you the right direction. Because the current situation doesn't have to be your final destinations. You're just one video away to change your life. No choosing people, I attract. Thanks for watching, kabayan. I'll see you in the other side. Bye for now.